Rain. Huh. What are you doing, man? Are you waiting for me to plug in your fountain? I'm sorry, I'm waiting for the little portable battery to charge, okay? You cool with that? You can wait. And by the way, what's this? A dead June bug. Well, I was cleaning off the solar and my solar scrubber finally broke. Yeah, this thing was pulling right out of this. I was just going to put some tape on the end and stick it back in there to hold it steady, but I had this brush up on my solar over there and it came crashing down and the plastic broke. So, you know, all good things come to an end. I can reuse this. I just can't use the broken plastic piece. You see? Well, that's fine. While I'm out here though, I'm gonna... Oh! Well, I was gonna Excuse me? I was gonna vacuum your catio out so I can pick up all the dead June bugs you've been leaving out there. I don't think you're gonna want to be in there when I'm vacuuming, man. It's quite loud. Eh? You mind leaving for a little? Oh, and now we got a second catio visitor. Cool. Everybody, let's just have a party. Okay. Yeah. What? Man, I need you to leave. I'm gonna vacuum. You're gonna thank me later. Oh, okay. Yeah. You too, man. I know you hate loud noises, so get on out of there. You're not gonna want to be there when I turn this thing on. Excuse me. Well, probably should have charged up my vac. What do you think you're doing? No. Probably should have charged up the vacuum because it died. Didn't get to finish the job up top, but you know. Get back in there. No freedom today. Not for you. Nope. Got the majority of it done anyhow. And yes, dude, your battery pack is charged. We're gonna get your fountain going for you. Calm down. Got our vacuum cleaner battery on charge. What's it running? 19 watts. This vacuum, by the way, no affiliation. I've said it a few times before. Amazing. I use it all over the place. I use it for vacuuming the cat tree, vacuuming the floor, the catio, pretty much everywhere in here. The brand is Lair Sar, if you're wondering. It was an Amazon purchase, but honestly, the best cordless vacuum. I've tried a bunch of them, and they all sucked. I mean, they didn't suck enough. Does that make sense? This one sucks in a good way. Anyway, when you're off-grid and you can't have a vacuum with a plug-in cord, it's the little things sometimes. I mean, this is from the top part of the catio only. That's how much dirt and hair I got. All of this. That's just from the top part of the catio, because I already emptied the stuff that was from the bottom, so you know it works. Anyway, enough about vacuum cleaners and cleaning. I'm gonna make something to eat, something I haven't made yet but have been wanting to try. And then I might go fishing this evening, if it doesn't rain. And maybe if it rains I'll go anyway, because life's short. Okay, now I know I need a new barbecue. Let me show you. This no longer attached there. It's broke right through. This heat shield has disintegrated. I'm just not going to use that side. These ones over here, I replaced both of them already, but they only came in a... Oh, they're totally off center. They only came in a 2-pack, so last time I did this, I replaced the 2 heat shield pieces that were in the worst shape, and then this one was in the best shape, and now you can see it has seen better days. Yeah, but when my grill is broke right through here now, might be time for a new barbecue here pretty soon. I mean, I'm pretty sure, yep, it is. It's in a few pieces. Okay. We'll just get rid of this altogether. And we just won't use, yeah, we'll just use these over here. Okay. Oh wow, even these little tubes. Look, this is, yeah. Yep, I've had this barbecue for a while. It's getting to that point. Might soon need to get a replacement. Well, the disintegrated heat shield is now gone. We're dealing with these two. Let's make sure the old girl's gonna fire up first. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah! Is this one? Well, it works. By the way, I wasn't smashing that this hard out of aggression. It just, you can't really push it anymore. It just, it's half seized. Yeah. Still works though. Still doing its job. Might think this is very cheap of me, but when something still works like that, even though it's pretty much broken, it still works. I have a hard job getting rid of stuff when it still works. Okay, while the grill is warming, we're going to start with our strips of bacon. I'm just going to do 2 of these. I got some extra lean ground beef here. And essentially like no countertop space, so it is what it is. RV life, baby. This isn't going to take a whole lot of hamburger at all, I wouldn't think, but ooh, that actually would have, let me see here. Yeah, yep. This is a recipe I just have seen recently, and I wanted to try it. So we're going to give it a whirl. I love bacon. I love hamburgers. That's it. Hamburger on strips of bacon. Let's roll them up. And should make a patty of sorts. You know, I probably should have stretched the bacon out longer, and these might be some smaller type patty roll-ups, but we'll see. Probably should have stretched them out and did them. Oh yeah, this isn't quite doing what I wanted it to. But, I mean, that works, right? That looks like a nice little, patty. I'm just going to stretch it out and make it wider. I would probably suggest maybe, yeah, stretching out your bacon beforehand, but I think this is still going to work just fine. And try to stick that better there. Doesn't matter if they blend together. It's bacon and it's beef. How bad can it be? I mean, look at these. Look at these. Sticks together perfectly. It's gonna get smaller, obviously, when it starts frying up on the grill, but perfect. Shoot, I forgot. I want to pepper them a little bit. I'm not going to do salt because I'm not a big fan of salt, and there's enough salt in the bacon. There's pretty much enough salt in anything and everything. Also going to do a little dash of chipotle chili pepper because I have it, and why not? Ooh. That's a fair dash. That's a very fair dash. Okay. How can this turn out bad? I mean, it's bacon and it's beef, honestly. How? Just how? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. probably clean the pollen off my barbecue sometime, but you know.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
To get the barbecue sauce, we're gonna go with the Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm getting low. Oh my goodness. I am not okay with that small amount of barbecue sauce. That's not enough. That's just not enough. Let me just say, I know I need to give it more time, but I'm a frequent flipper, okay? That's just how I am. I can't leave barbecue alone. I'm a frequent flipper. I mean, it's looking alright so far. I mostly see bacon there, but what are we gonna call these burgers? Bacon, beef, barbecue, burger roll-ups? That's a lot of B's in one sentence. Just to add another B, I can't have barbecue without a beverage, so orange creamsicle it is. Orange cream pop. Okay. My bacon is starting to unroll. Ooh, she's a squirter.
That was inappropriate.
Anyway, as long as it doesn't completely unravel on me, I think we're gonna be okay. Maybe I can get it to stick a little better after a while. But even though it's looking like a snail, it's still gonna be good. Now I can also actually see better with as far as how the beef is cooking. So yeah. I'm just gonna shut this third burner right off. There's no point. I got plenty of room over here. I don't know if you can see it. That is a hummingbird. Chillin'. You don't often see them without their wings going 60 times a second or whatever it is, but so cute. So cute. And I know it's hard to tell on camera, but our sky is looking a little overcast. Hopefully we don't get rained on here for some evening fishing. Okay, I think it's time. It's time for some sauce. Might even help stick this together better. Please tell me there's enough. Okay, we got them all sauced up. I'm gonna move them down on the grill a little further. Add a slice of cheese to that one. I'm not gonna eat that other burger snail. And maybe just char my little buns here for a moment. Okay. That turned out interesting looking, but still good nonetheless. Definitely didn't turn out looking like how they looked in the video I watched, but just a classic case of Instagram versus reality. Nonetheless, it's going to be delicious. I mean, bacon, beef, cheese, mayo, ketchup. How can you go wrong? You can't. Oh yeah. I would do this again 100% for sure. Last bite or two. I'm done. Save you for tomorrow for lunch. Totally looks like a snail. So what were we calling them? Bacon, beef, barbecue burger roll-ups, aka Snailbergs. They were pretty good. They didn't look anything like what they look like. Whoa, hummingbird. Didn't look anything like that Instagram video, but yeah, it's Instagram. You got a snailberg, man. You'll have to try it sometime. It's a snailberg. Belly's full. Next, fishing. Actually, first, chocolate. I gotta have some chocolate for dessert, and then fishing. Okay, I'm gonna start with the same bait I started with last time I was here. It's pretty beaten up, but oh well. Gave me some luck before. So glad that wind died down. Oh. Oh my gosh. No rain yet, surprisingly. I do not feel comfortable on that rock. Get a good stance before you know you need to set the hook. Because it can be scary when you're on a real skinny rock. Oh. I wonder... Oh my gosh, something just came at my... Let me just try that again. Something came at my worm when I started reeling real fast there. Almost looked like a perch. There are white perch in here. And they'd be small enough they wouldn't be able to really get this hook in their mouth. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Nope. Come on. Okay. That's white perch being chased by probably bass. What else? Yeah. Okay. Good to know. That was cool. Maybe that's what I was hearing earlier with all the splashing going on. And that could also explain why the bass aren't hungry. They're filling up on white perch. I don't want to do it. This is my favorite spot, but I might soon have to get on out of here. You know? Oh my gosh, there's a loon. I know you probably can't see that on this GoPro, but I do. See that loon? That's like my biggest fear, man. If I caught that thing, they're beautiful, but they're huge. And I would not want to have to stick my hand in the beak of one of those. Oh my gosh. But it's probably also fishing for those white perch. See the white perch? That's awesome. That is friggin' awesome. And I didn't bring any hooks small enough for perch. I brought all my bass stuff. Yeah. Switched up my lure. Put on a black and orange. And it worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. No, no, he spit it. You're kidding me. Oh, the heartbreak, the freaking heartbreak. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe that. I can't believe that. God, look at my bait. Oh my God, that was such a nice fish. Oh, I gotta try that again. Yeah, see, it's black and orange, so it kind of looks like a bloodsucker, leech. Oh my gosh, please, please, please. I can't believe that. That was such a big fish. First cast with that too. Oh my gosh. I suck. I suck. Jeez, the mosquitoes are coming out now. Get it. Come on, Big Bertha. I don't have all evening. Well, I kind of do, but it's going to be dark soon. Look. Making waves, making waves. Oh, oh my God. It happened again. Sorry, it happened again. Oh my gosh. I have the worst ADD. I need to pay way more attention to what I'm doing. Come on. Just, Jesus. That was probably just grass. That was a big bite. Here we go. Come on, come on. It's not a big fish. It's not a big fish. It's not a big fish. Look at this little guy. Big bite though. Big bite for a little dude. Where are you? Jeez, man. Let's see. Ooh, you're really fishy smelling though. Dang. Little tiny dude, but oh yeah, he smells fishy as heck. Little tiny dude, but honestly, I'm just happy that I caught a fish. So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for you. Thank you. Mwah. Okay. Okay, let's get you back. I'm gonna toss him. Okay. Ooh, be free. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we really are fishing in the rain, but I don't care. We caught one. Maybe we can catch another, or two or three. And rain never hurt anybody, right?
You and me going fishing in the rain.
Wait a minute, that's not how that song goes. There's fish in this lake, and I would like to catch them. Oh, no, you didn't. You did, you little jerk. This is when you catch a fish, when you get all rat's nested. This is literally when you catch a fish. Oh my God. Knew I had that set too loose.
Oh, the dirty diamonds.
Okay, well, we've got a problem here. My reel looks like this, and I think I might possibly have a fish on, and I do. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. It's not that big. It's not that big. But fighter, jeez, man, you are a fighter. And my reel is buggered up like crazy. It's a little bigger than the last guy, see? A little bigger than the last guy. Yep. Chill, 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 chill. Hey. 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 There we go. Little guy. This is a little pooper scooper. But thank you for the bite, because I appreciate you. My reel is still a mess. I gotta try to work that out. Get you back. Okay. I wonder how ridiculous it would be to keep fishing with a buggered up reel. I might. It's as far as it'll go because of... Oh my... No. Okay. I thought it worked itself out. Didn't get that lucky. Well, I don't think I'm going to get this knot out until I get home. So I may as well just cast with a bird's nest and continue fishing like this. Yes, I know my reel is messed up, but until I get to fixing it, I'm just going to continue fishing in the rain. The hell with it. Still having fun. Jeez, it really makes my reel sound some type of way, doesn't it? What the heck? That's interesting. My line is broke somewhere. I better be careful. Look at this. That's the end of my line somewhere. Oh boy. Okay. Let's be careful. Holy shit. Messed up reel and all. I got one. Oh my. Okay, no, it's not that big. It's like the other two. Small. But it felt big. Okay. I don't know. They might be getting... Oh! Okay. Chill. They might be getting slightly bigger. I'm not quite sure. Little guy. Just a little dude. Thank you for the bite. I appreciate you nonetheless. I'm working on a messed up reel here, but it's all good. Still catching fish. There we go. Okay, well, I'm back now. I gave it a solid E for effort. It's definitely raining now. That's fine. I would have stayed longer, but I heard car doors slam. Someone kind of rolled up next to me. It is what it is. I wouldn't have done that. When I see a car parked, I just go in a different direction because I don't want to roll up on somebody and fish their spot, essentially. But they weren't really fishing my spot. They were going... Anyway, doesn't matter. But I wasn't sure. I thought someone was going to literally walk out of the woods and fish my spot. I'm in the boonies. I don't even know how people are rolling up on me like that, but... Regardless, got out fishing, enjoyed myself, did not catch any berthas, but a couple small made it... A couple small bass made it worth it. I need some sleep. Time fishing is never time wasted. Kind of relaxing and enjoying today because tomorrow the plan is to go under and spray the frame under the box truck. So I think that is going to be it for me here. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Uh-oh. The moth hunter is not moth hunting. Gotta go get that June bug, Ramsey. Get that June bug. You're on the other side of the window, man. You need to be out there. Look. Ramsey. Look. Oh, he's too interested in the June bug now. Oh yeah, that's not good. He's almost... Oh. Yeah, you gonna go get him? Don't bring him in here, though. You did that yesterday. Oh my... Oh my... Oh my... Oh, I think he got it. Oh. Oh my gosh, he's eating it like... He's eating the June bug. Wow. He is eating the June bug. That is nasty. What the heck? my gosh, Ramsey, are you serious? He literally ate it. Dude. Like, there's pieces of it laying there. Oh my god, you just ate that June bug. I can't look at you the same, man. Wow.